Santana. Oh, Odie, I'm gonna put this down. No. Hello, everybody. Hi, babies. Hi. Odie's gonna pick out his own. Ooh. Oh, Juniper. Hi, Sasha. Hi, Handsome. Hi, Elijah. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Mickey. Okay, let's give you yours under here. Okay, we're going to put it over here. Jennifer likes to eat underneath here. Okay. Okay. Ellie. Pick up my box. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hello. Mickey likes to eat up here. Come up here. Doesn't like my box. Here you go. Oops. Here you go. Hi. It's getting dark out, so my camera's not focusing very well. Handsome. Here, Handsome. Here you go. And Gwenny. Hi, Gwenny. You want to pick yours out? Is it that one? There she goes. And there's Zelda over here. She likes to eat under this bush. I have to throw that under there so I can manage. Oh. Okay. Carry a couple of plates over here. Alrighty. There's Gracie. Hi, Gracie. Hey. And there's Sasha. Sasha wants that one. That's a good boy. Hi. It's okay. Go ahead. And there's Gracie. There's Gwenny. Decided she's going to sit there now. What's the matter, Zelda? You don't want that kind? Do a different one? Try a different one. Sometimes they get a little fussy. Here you go. Want that one? Want to pick one? Is that better? Okay, she likes that one a little better. Okay, so I'll put this one over here for Ellie, since Ellie wanted to go see Santana. Here you go. Sometimes I have to chase them around with their food. Here you go. Oh, there you go. Sasha went over to see what Gwenny's doing. Gwenny, don't you take that. Just like in the house, we have some musical chairs with the food. There you go. Somebody will like someone else's food better, right? Gracie says hers is good. Sasha, come on over and get your food. Sasha's had a little cold, so looks like maybe Zelda's got a little toothache. Well, she had most of her teeth out. Mickey's eating. Handsome didn't finish this, so I'm going to bring it over to the umbrella area. Alright, we're going to go to the other side of the shed. Alrighty. What's up, Ellie? I think some of them have had a little bit of a cold and they don't want to... You two stop that right now. What kind of stuff is that? There's Harrison. Hi, Harrison. Hi. What kind would you like? Handsome, come on over here. Handsome didn't finish his. And Kiki, don't know where Kiki is. But I'm going to put one down for Kiki and one for Handsome, who's coming back over here. Come on, Handsome. Alright, I'm going to go inside. And we are going to feed little Ramona and Harrison and Nicholas. And I'm getting theirs together so I can open the door. Alright, here we go. Hey. Hi, Elijah. Turn the light on. Ooh. There they are. Now, I seem to have gotten more kitty food on one plate than the other, so I'm going to be gross and pick it up with my fingers and put it in the right place. Okay. This is for Harrison, who's eating his dry food now. And this one is for Ramona, whose little tail is sticking out. I see your little tail. Boop. I see you. Where is she? Hi. Hi, Ramona. Hi, Elijah. We've got some feel away in here, which Odie seems to really like. And I have to give Nicholas his food. He's in here until I can come up with some kind of catio for him. Might be an indoor catio, but we'll figure it out. I'm going to put his inside here. And he's back in there where you probably can't see him because it's dark. Yeah, you can't see him. So we're just going to change out his bowl. I have to get him some dry food. Alright, big boy. Come on and get your stuff. And I'll be back out here to clean the litter boxes. Hello. There's Harrison. And Ramona eating her din din. There we go.